Sometimes a hang tab is just a hang tab, a method to get a product hanging in a store. And sometimes a hang tab can be that and much more. With Duke Cannon's Handsome Man Travel Kit, Do-It Corporation's 2 LBW hang tab hangs the product securely anywhere in the store. But as it wraps entirely around the travel kit, the 2 LBW also helps to seal the zippered package, reducing product pilferage. And with its thickness and adhesive strip on the bottom, the 2 LBW helps the pouch keep its attractive look as it hangs or if it's placed on a shelf. In addition, the clear material allows customers to see the contents of the pouch and does not block any key product information. So, while we can count on Duke Cannon to bring unique products to market, Duke Cannon can count on Do-It Corporation to provide various hang tab solutions for its retail display needs.